Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. So it has been a very long time since I have broken out these large tarot card molds. I absolutely adore these. You will have probably seen them a couple of times on my channel. I'll link to some of those other videos in the iCard up above. So today I'm going to do something very simple. I'm going to make them all white, and then I'm going to finish the insets in black. I have a black set that I finished in white. Now I would like to do a white set that I finish in black. It's going to be super simple and easy. I'm not sure if I'm going to show the finishing off of the insets for you guys. If I don't, I will absolutely link to the video up here in the iCard that I have where I show how to do that. But the reason that I kind of want to show that is because I had seen some people on the TikTok app, some resin artists who used squeegees for finishing off their pieces with their ink. So I'm thinking of trying this out today. Well, not today, obviously. Tomorrow, when these are cured. So, yeah, hopefully that'll work. I'm also planning to spray these with my 91% alcohol ink before I place the resin in. Heavily spray them. Hopefully that will eliminate any bubbles. Obviously, I do need to take a piece of tape to these real quick to clean them out. But other than that, we're going to go ahead and jump right in. Alright friends, so these are cured. I only did one set because, quite frankly, I ran out of resin. And it was so late I was too lazy to mix up a second batch to do the other half. I will eventually get to them. But I've pulled out some folk art chalk board paint, which I've never used when finishing these off, so we'll see how it works. I am going to try the squeegee. We will see how that works. And then I've also got some paper towels, because you always need paper towels when dealing with paint. So, I am going to finish these on screen, off screen, because I've got a whole video on how to finish these. I will link it, like I said, in the iCard above. So definitely check out that if you are interested. And in the pinned comment of this video, I will tell you not only how much resin this set uses, which is, I can tell you right now, it's 200 milliliters per 5 cards. So for both sets you would need 400 milliliters. But in the pinned comment, I will also let you know whether the squeegee works, okay? Okay, I guess I should actually unmold these for you. You might want to see them. Got a little ahead of myself. Okay, so clearly there was some kind of ink or something in the mold, because there's a little blue dot. But you can see how very nice and clean that is. Not a single bubble in sight. Ah, I absolutely adore these. Yeah, there must have been... I cleaned off the mold, but there must have been some stuff left in it. But I don't think you're really going to be able to tell once I finish these off. So, they turned out great. Spraying the mold definitely worked, because I'm not getting any bubbles. There's even a hair stuck in one. What the heck? Dude, this mold was freaking clean when I poured these. Ugh, that's so frustrating. I mean, clearly it wasn't clean if I'm finding freaking hairs in my resin pieces. Oh well. You live, you learn. I think they'll still be beautiful, no matter what. Okay. So, yes. I'm not sure if I cut this part out, because I had already done this once and then realized I didn't even show you guys the pieces out of the mold before they were finished. But I'm planning to finish these off screen. I've got a whole other video. Link is in the iCard. And yeah, let's cut back to old Megan thanking you for watching this, yeah? Alright, and cut. Alright, so that is going to be today's video. Please stick around for the glamour shots at the end. I hope they turn out as beautiful as I imagine they will. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new around here, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.